Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok not showing your videos to others. So let's get started. Well, after getting the application, and the first thing you're gonna do, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the hamburger icon top right. A list of options will appear. So choose the last option, setting on privacy. Then tap on privacy. And here we got private account. So with a private account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. So this might be the issues why TikTok doesn't show your videos to others. So make sure to make your account public. So toggle off these options and switch it to public account. Another thing that you can do, go back and make sure that your videos are not set to private as well. So choose any video, for example, this one. Then tap on these three dots. Swipe left. And here we got privacy settings. So tap on it. So here, if you choose only your friends to watch your videos, then your TikTok won't show your videos to others. So make sure to choose everyone. Now, in case none of these things work, then uninstall TikTok. So make a long press on it. Then tap on uninstall. Confirm. And install the app again. And this is it. This is how to fix when TikTok not showing your videos to others. Thanks for watching. See ya.